If you're looking for information on the FlexClip Lifetime Deal and Review, you've come to the right place. The FlexClip Lifetime Deal was launched on AppSumo with a significant discount, and in this video, we'll share all the details of the deal. We'll cover what the lifetime deal entails, what features are included, and whether or not we think it's worth taking advantage of. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to know about the FlexClip Lifetime Deal so that you can make an informed decision about whether or not it's right for you. Flexible editing, stunning clips, effortlessly produce and modify videos suitable for branding, advertising, social networking, personal use, and any other intention. How to make a video in 3 steps. Number 1. Add media. You can include pictures or videos from your computer or choose from a selection of stock libraries. Number 2. Customize. Customize your video by adding text, music, elements, and other features. Number 3. Export. After exporting your video, you can share it by either posting it to social media platforms or sending a link. Level up your video creation with built-in resources. Discover an amazing assortment of text animations, elements, and transitions that will enhance your projects. With over 1,000 text animations and preset styles, along with millions of dynamic vector elements and rich transitions and overlays, the possibilities are endless. 4 million plus royalty-free stock assets. Collaborate with stock media providers that have abundant resources to provide users with music, videos, and photos that are free from royalty and of superior quality. Collaborate on video editing and share seamlessly. With cloud-based video solutions, teams can collaborate on video creation regardless of their location. Once the video is ready, it can be easily shared through a link or posted on various social media platforms. FlexClip is a web tool that allows you to create videos, movies, and slideshows in minutes. It offers powerful editing tools that give you full control over the appearance of your video, background music, and more. It has an easy-to-use storyboard, a large number of stock images, videos, and music, and flexible editing features. You can export videos with high resolutions. FlexClip is perfect for creating professional videos for business and occasions, and is very easy to use. Get access to FlexClip Video Maker today. Why are you let? Get lifetime access to FlexClip today. One-time purchase of $69 only. 60-day money-back guarantee. Try it out for 2 months to make sure it's right for you.